link here and do get the you could get a lot of stuff still. He's gonna vanish. Yep. 2 to get 1 back. Okay, he won't kill me, but he's forced in a situation when I won't get killed. But you'll need to do something here. You could make a link 4 and go absolute sir, and that will be like bonkers, because this is not once per turn. People don't realise this card's once per turn, not once per turn, so this card can be really hard to get rid of. Or you could do a link 2 and just keep resources on the field. You could do like a mask. So I was trying to force out that. So I got where she is. Oh my. Yeah. This is actually very tight. We got rid of Shan, we got rid of these monsters, of these little ones, to attack him. He can't attack us, so what I can keep doing is keep firing the pressure on him. Because he can't attack with this. He can advance as much as like. If it was me, I would attack twice, then he would have. Yes, I won. I hope you enjoyed the show today. I hope you subscribe and share me on Facebook and Instagram and hello YouTubers and goodbye YouTubers, and hope you enjoy what I showed you today, and hopefully you subscribe, and hope things will get better soon, and hopefully get back playing in locals and regionals and stuff. Hopefully soon. Hope you enjoyed today, and subscribe and watch all, and see you all next time. Goodbye.